The biggest benefits I can see from both sides of the coin, from the management side and the staff side, is that using the devices out in the field is going to save a lot of time for the staff, and also a lot of hassle for the service users as well. They're currently having to sign all their timesheets, they're having to sign the communication sheets, which can be quite difficult for a lot of our service users because they need help for a reason. On the management side of things, there's going to be a lot less time spent on producing timesheets, changing timesheets, getting those out to the staff, getting them to come in to pick them up. With the PS Health system, it's automatically downloaded onto the device. Okay, looking at the service user safety side of things, at the moment we currently use the good old-fashioned pen and paper for the scheduled visits, which is something that's been the same since 1998. Now, with the devices all up and running, we can actually track the visits on the system. So what is actually going on out there in the field, we can see in the office live as it's happening. If a service user doesn't receive their visit, or it's a late visit, it will be flagged up straight away, so we can contact the member of staff, see what's happened. It could be that they've had an accident or they've been held up, but we can actually track the calls as they go on. So if anything is missed or late, we know about it immediately, rather than waiting for someone to pick up the phone and say, I haven't had my call yet, what's going on? And that's if they can pick up the phone and let us know that something is happening. So knowing what's going on out there in the field as it happens, or as it doesn't happen, is paramount to delivering a high quality service from our point of view.
Well, we've started using mobiles because they're a lot quicker, a lot simpler, a lot less stress, really. Everything goes straight onto your phone. I can't stress it, it's a lot easier. It's so much more simple. You don't have to worry about rushing around getting notes. You don't have to stress about it. You've got all the information on there. You know your rota, you can see ahead of your rota. So a lot of people say, oh, I can't see what I'm working on Saturday because we don't get our rotas till Friday. But with these, you get a few days in advance. Every day you get an extra day put on. The benefit of having next to kin's number is, obviously, if someone's on the floor and obviously they're in distress, they want their family, you can't leave them on the floor to then have to go to your car to get your notes, or to have to go through their folder to get their notes. If it's on your phone, it's a lot easier. I love them. I think they're brilliant.